Alright, YouTube, what's going on, y'all? How's your day going? It's a new video right now, and I'm doing a video on Studio Series, Transformers Dark of the Moon Studio Series, 96 Bumblebee, BuzzWorthy Bumblebee, N.E.S.T Ratchet, Autobot Ratchet. And here's his instructions. I do not have his box. I have thrown them away, but I still kept his instructions. And this is what his instructions are looking like. Alright, now let's get to the figure. Get him up close and personal. Let me zoom in here so you can see his face. Oh, it was kind of blurry. My bad, y'all. Alright. He's smiling. You can see the nice blue eyes there. Nicely painted silver face, and the rest of his head is black. There's lights right there. Really nice detail on the grill here. Lights on the grill, bumper. You can see the inside of there, right there. That's a good detail right there. Silver, nicely painted. Detailing going all throughout the arm. It's done. I love all these like piston type like metal parts right here going into the inner thighs. Really nice detail of toes. Articulation. Move his arm all the way around, go all the way up like so. Okay. Arm goes up. That's so with this comes off easily, and then this arm is really stiff too, so I gotta actually two-hand it when I use that arm. But his arm does bend about that much, and then like I said, his arm goes all the way around, goes all the way up that much. Rotation at the arm, bicep, touch it. Oh man, our leg goes up that high. Doing good high kicks. Due to everything back here, it doesn't go back that far, but if you just detach this right here, then you can get range of movement all the way back, just like that, if you do that. You got thigh rotation, deep knee bend. Ooh, I love that. Foot tilts all the way down. Really good ankle tilt. And then you got the rotation at the ankle as well. So there you go. No waist rotation at all, or wrist. You can make his arm go inward this much, just like this. You can go back that much. And then his head does indeed does a 360 all around and no up and down movement whatsoever. So there you go. Now for transformation, let me show you. Okay, first of all, you can plug his gun right here as well. And that's about the only place you can store his weapon on him in robot mode is on his hand and on his arm. Show off the weapon right quick. Before we get to transformation, we are going to do comparisons right quick. So let's bring out all the Bayverse Transformers I have. Starting with Bumblebee. See how they look together. Optimus Prime. And Shockwave. And there you go. Now down to transformation. Let's get to transforming Ratchet. So let's see here. Number one, you want to come back here, undo this, and undo this. And then bring his feet down, down, like so. Make sure everything's straightened out. And then rotate his feet to the sides like this, inwards, like so. I think I see exactly what I've been doing wrong whenever I used to transform this. So bring his feet, his legs, everything out. Oh, just like this. like so. Make sure everything's all nice and evenly straight. Now, what you want to do is swing these. My bad, not on the camera. Swing these out. So open these pins up. Bring those in. Swing that in. Make sure everything's lined up nicely. And then bring this down. And just line all of this up right here. And you have it sitting like that. Now I'm gonna turn over the instructions to the back. Put on number 10. And then you wanna rotate his head around. Actually, no. Yes, rotate his head around. And then bring this up so you'll detach it here. And these tabs here just plugs in here. Just like that. So undo it. And then bring this up. Tab that in. It will snap. Then you want to rotate, not the bumper, but this part where his head is. So just roll. It should be looking like that. After you rotate this part around where his arms and head is attached. And then you wanna open these up, which they already did for me. So, open these up. These tabs right here. These tabs right here are going to these slots right here. And then you just take the arms and you want to bend them back. You know what I'm saying? Straighten it out, but bend it back. Just like that. And then you bring it all the way back. Just like this. Line it up, the door. And rotate the wheel in just like this. Same thing on the other side. Just, okay. Get back in. Put the wheel in. Oh, okay. Add the tabbing point. Okay. It tabs in. Okay. I didn't know the wheels tabbed in somewhere, actually. I didn't know that. That's actually cool. Alright, so nice head. Bring this down. Bend. Just like so. And then you want to bring it in and tab this here. And you're gonna use this to help you. So let me see if I can get this on camera. So set the arm back, just like this. Grab the bumper a little bit. Swing it in just like that. Squeeze everything together to get everything tabbed in. You do the same thing on the other side. So, back. Swing it back. And grab the grill. Have it. There you go. Make sure we let them look just like that. Nicely tapped in. Just squeeze everything together to make sure everything's nice and closed and evened up together. That's just lifting up. I don't know why. But there you go. There you have Ratchet in his vehicle mode. And he is a really good looking vehicle. Oh my. This ambulance mode is like, I like him in these colors more than that green color. The green is cool, but I like him in these colors more, to be honest. Really, really cool. Autobot logo right there. It says N.E.S.T. N.E.S.T. Got some codes on them. Dark tinted windshields, what they should do with all Transformer toys, in my opinion. The grill, you can see more of those lights popping out. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna figure out a way to fix this. It's gonna look, cause it's supposed to tab in here, but I don't know what's going on. And I just love how everything just folds up. This is the bottom. Like the legs, I love the leg transformation and everything. Like this, all is clever to me. I love that. There's the top. Weapon storage. Obviously, you can plug it right here. Up top, this is where it says on instructions to store it. So I'll plug it at the top, just like right here. That is a really good vehicle mode. I love his vehicle mode. I like this better. Nah, I do not have anything transformed to vehicle mode right now. No other Transformers like compared or anything. But this is the end of the video though. He does roll though. He rolls really good. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all my subscribers, all the people who enjoy my content, and everybody who just stops to actually want to watch my videos. Thank you. Like, share if you enjoy my content, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on the video, and let me know what else you want to see on the channel with reviews or toys you want me to do. And I'm out. Have a good day, y'all. Peace.